Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to make a few adjustments to this part of our topology. As you can see, this edge is much flatter on the reference, so we need to fix it. I'll disable proportional editing for now, and I think I need to move these vertices to move them slightly down. And I see that I have some duplicates here, so press A, M, merge by distance, and fix this area. I'll move them down a bit. And by the way, you can use LoopTools, space, and then space again, and then relax to make it more even, to make the edge more even. Okay, and you can tweak the number of iterations in the context menu. Okay. To make our topology easier to see while working on solid shading, go to the object properties, viewport display, and here enable wireframe. That way we can clearly see the mesh while being in the solid view. So we have made our woofer this size. But I think I made a mistake here. I actually need to make it larger. About this size. Okay, let's make it this size. Apply scale. Let's take a look. Let's turn on this subdivision so far. And let's sync. So I need to make the woofer grid starting here. And actually all the hole of the woofer should have this edge. So I actually made a mistake, so now I need to fix it. I'll select these edges, resolve unnecessary ones on the go. We do not need unnecessary geometry. And I'll increase the size of this edge. So I just pressed S. Now I want to push along the y-axis, GY, and merge by distance to check if we have any duplicates. And fix a curvature a bit. Now place the woofer grid where it's needed to be. Okay, I don't need the wireframe mode anymore. And push this vertex a bit along the y-axis. Okay, let's turn on the subdivision and check if everything lines up correctly. Let's go into the cycles. I'm looking for some proper plastic material for our monitor body. Let's try this one. Okay, let's fix the mapping a bit. The scale is too big, but now I want to turn off the wireframe here. Let's unwrap. I don't put any seams here, just using the Smart UV project. And put some other scale, for example 4. And let's think. We need to make our woofer grid material a bit more metallic to make it stand out. And actually the inner side, the inner part of the woofer is made of another material, not the plastic or metal of the outer part of monitors. It's more like resin. So we need to separate this part of the mesh and actually give it another material. I'll use circle select, tweak the radius. Now it's more comfortable to be in the face select mode. Okay, and select all the needed faces. Okay, like that. There we go. Separate selection. Let's check the face orientation. So this part we will make made of the rubber plastic. Let's remove this material and create a new one. It will be gray, dark gray. And I guess I'll lower the roughness. Or increase. Let's see. Yeah, now it looks quite like rubber. Okay. Our metallic woofer grid material. I want to change the roughness of it a bit. Maybe 0.3. Let's work on it a bit. I want it to be more metallic. So actually what I can do, let's increase the scale a bit. Okay, let's just delete the node for color and put the needed color, for example, such light gray. In the next video, we will start working on the metallic part of the Twitter. See you in the next video. Bye.